Hey guys, it's So Square and Cubed. This is my room. I'm on the floor. It's a mess. Don't ask me about it. I don't care. You may be asking yourself, why did I click on this video? Why am I watching this? And my question to you is the exact same thing because I don't know. All I know is that I want my hair dyed again. And I can't afford hair dye. This is a bottle from a year ago. There's not hair dye in it, it's this concoction that I'm about to make. I have food coloring that I opened from the bottom because fuck you. I also have my last remaining little bit of hair dye, but it's too blue and I don't want my hair that blue. I might be using this, I might not, we will see. And then a shit ton of conditioner. This is a bad idea. This is a bad idea. But we did it once before, so we're gonna do it again. And it honestly almost kind of worked. I think that I can do it this time. We'll see. And then I have a little glassy glass of water because I found out the hard way that food coloring is not soluble in conditioner, only water. It's about to get very loud. I'm going to scoot back on my plastic covering made of Target bags. So that I have somewhere to mix, that I don't stain my floor, because that would be sad. Alright. Oh my god. Okay. We're just gonna scoochy scooch. Target, will you sponsor me? I reuse your bags in the most ridiculous of ways. So we're gonna redo my hair. Oh yeah, that's probably more than enough. And we're doing it with food coloring because you know what? This stuff costs me like $10 a bottle and I have to use 2 colors to get the color I want because they don't sell the color I want, so I have to make the color I want. So that's already like $20 down the drain and I don't have $20. I don't have any money. I'm trying to buy a car. But I do have conditioner and I do have food coloring and I already had this comb and I already had this brush, and I already had the bowl. All I needed was the color to put in the bowl to make my hair the color I wanted. And I have the color. So we're just gonna do a little dippy dip and try and make this the color that I want. Is it gonna work? Probably not. Am I gonna hate myself? Probably. Are you gonna stick around and watch this video? Probably not. But that's fine. I don't need you. Yes, I do. I need you. Don't leave. Don't leave. Please stay for this train wreck. Okay, here's my dilemma. I want, like, this color. But I don't know how to make this color. Do I add equal parts of blue and green? Do I put yellow in it? I don't know. So we're gonna... I don't know. I don't think you know. I don't think anybody knows anything. You know what? We're gonna do 2 drops of green, 2 drops of blue, and like a little drop of yellow. Just like a half a drop. Half a drop of yellow. And we're gonna stir that up. We're gonna see what that looks like. And if it's not right, well then, fuck you. Oh, that looks incorrect. Oh. Oh, yeah, that's very green. Oh. Okay. Okay. All right. So while I'm mixing my very professional hair dye, please don't do this at home. It's not, I don't think it's necessarily dangerous. It might be dangerous. I don't know. It's just a really stupid idea. Like really dumb. Like really dumb. But while I'm doing this, let me tell you about my day. Soul. And I just realized I don't have a mirror. I don't plan things out. Anyways, we're just gonna do it. We're just gonna do this. So, fuck you, Laura. You're an asshole, and you made me feel bad about ever telling anybody that I'm hard of hearing for the rest of my fucking retail career. Because now I just feel like if I tell anybody I'm sorry I didn't hear you, they're just gonna fucking yell at me and tell me to go home, and I'm gonna be like, oh, okay. Well then I guess I'm gonna go home because I'm deaf, I guess. Because I'm hard of hearing in one ear. Like, thanks, Laura. Okay, I feel a big dry spot, like, right in there. So I'm just gonna take the rest of this and just... Can you see what I'm doing? Because I can't. Oh, I feel dribbles. Oh no. Oh god. Ah! This is fine. Oh, I can feel that one. There we go. Stay in there. That's where you want to be. Alright. And to give this the best possible fighting chance that I can, I'm gonna be sleeping in it. So, I will see you in the morning, but you'll see this, like, right now. You may be asking yourself, did my hair dye method work? No, it didn't. Oh well.